You mentioned you went straight to consumer. What was your marketing tactics to get it rolling? Did you hit up influencers?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
Look, back in my day, when there was no social media.
Oh yeah, back in your it was harder then.
There was no social media. There was nothing like that.
Yeah.
The only thing you could do is figure out a way to maybe get into GNCs or get into like wholesalers and all that kind of stuff, which was like they'll take most of your profit away and then they give you terms and all that kind of stuff. Back in the day, if you want to become famous, you had to know somebody at a record label or you had to know somebody at a modeling agency and all that kind of stuff. Today, all you have to do is put your stuff out there. And if you're that good, people will find out and people will get to know that.
100%.
Guess how much it's going to cost you?
Just grind.
Nothing.
Nothing. Just
Nothing. Does putting on a video on YouTube cost you any money? Does putting something on Instagram cost you money?
Yeah.
Last time I checked, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook,
all
TikTok, whatever, they're all free.
Yeah, all free.
So if you're not doing it, then you're making a choice to be lazy.
Yeah, if you're not doing it, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Like I said, back in the day, when I wanted to get clients for the gym, you know what I had to do?
Oof, tell us.
I had to walk 10 miles every week and put door hangers in every door in the neighborhood. Put door hangers in every door. And if I get 2 or 3 calls, I would have been ecstatic.
Yeah.
Oh my God, 3 people called me. I just walked 10 miles.
Yeah.
You know, guess what? Today I can
you
put
on
an
the
ad
couch.
out.
Yeah.
I put an ad out. In about 20 minutes, I have 100 clients, 100 potential clients. And people are like, oh my God, man, it's too hard. You got to be effing kidding me.
So with the 1%, how did you get clients for that one?
How to get what?
How did you get sales coming in for 1%?
So we got some influencer campaigns.
Right.
We did some ads.
Right.
We did a bunch of organic stuff.
Right.
And that's it. And just get the word out. But remember, people don't buy your product. They buy you.
Yeah. And the message, right? The brand.
Absolutely.
They buy the
You know, it's not a supplement company it's a lifestyle. It's a mindset. That's what 1% is. So we create a community of like-minded individuals.
So let's talk about now at this point in your life, is everything's going good? You got gyms opened up. You got 1% rolling out. Let's talk about the big scale. How you got the big bag? How you got to 120? You said 120 locations.
All right.
now.
So let me first tell you this, man. You know, for everybody who's listening to this, your life is never perfect. Jeff Bezos' life is not perfect.
100%.
Bill Gates' life is not perfect. So you are in a mansion, you see the Ferrari, you see the Rolls Royce, you see the G-Wagon and all that kind of stuff and all that kind of stuff. And you're like, oh, this guy's perfect. Life is not perfect. In life, you are either in a problem, left a problem, or headed towards one. That's the bottom line.